Hill, I'm president of the Chamber of Commerce. This is our 18th annual show in Ridgewood. We're up to about 275, 300 cars. He started out 18 years ago with about 20 cars, so we've grown quite a bit.
It's a 1962 Willys wagon. A lot of people pronounce it Willis, but it's the first SUV, four-wheel drive. It's painted in an earlier style, but it has a cool woody look to it, I guess.
Well, it's a 55 Chevy convertible Bel Air with stick and overdrive. My husband is adamant about that. And when my husband and I got married, we had a car exactly like this. And in January, he found this one and he had to buy it.
So far, I think this is my 5th year.
I visited about 5 years. This is the first time I'm showing.
A few years.
4 or 5 years.
About 4 or 5 years now.
First time.
Maybe 8 years.
We love it. This is great. You get to see all your friends, see a lot of people, new faces, new cars, which is nice.
Great for the community. They should do it a couple times a year. It's that town feeling.
It's fantastic. It's phenomenal. It's one of the best shows I've ever attended.
Great. What a great show. Beautiful night, great cars. Can't beat it.
It's a really good turnout. Real nice.
I'll definitely be back. I'll be here earlier so I get a better spot.